All right, so I just had the automotive experience of my life, thanks to my good friend Dr. M3 here. Which, I mean, you're obviously watching an intro to the video here, but I've already driven this car. And I mean, I can't stand here and just fake it like we're about to go drive it, because I just experienced it. And I have no words to put in words what this car is like. So in today's video, we're actually doing a POV style video, so you yourself can sort of sit behind the wheel of the Lamborghini Huracan Performante. It's the fastest Lamborghini ever made. It's the second fastest car in the world around the Nürburgring. So I'm gonna give my good friend Dr. M3 a huge hug here, because he's the man. Enjoy the video. So we currently have it in Sport, and of course I'm going to start with Sport. Alright, so here we go. First time in a Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Oh, the sounds this thing made.
Amazing.
Jeez. Now, unlike many POVs I've done on my channel, I probably won't be talking as much in this one here. Oh wow.
I just rotate. I would just, the thing brings you just take the speed through the corners.
Oh, okay. Oh my God!
It just does.
Oh my God! I have never in my life experienced anything like this. Are you kidding me?
It sticks. So one of the things I want to do for you is put the ALA system up so you can see what's going on with this.
Okay.
A little bit further up.
All right, so now that we're behind this Volvo XC90, maybe I can
gather your thoughts.
Yeah, and leave some comments of the experience here. I think you guys understand the main thing that's impressing me with this car, but I mean, what do you say? This is insane. The combination of the sound, the experience of sitting in this car with the full carbon fiber bucket racing seats, and of course the power that it has, but the cornering, I mean.
Well, that's the thing. So let me do something for you. So on the stalk over there,
okay,
press the center one, press and hold it.
Oh, hold it, okay.
Press and hold. You'll see ALA come up in a second. There we go. Now you're in active ALA. Go, go, go. Hard, 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 hard. You're gonna see it working. So there it is down there. So it's now showing you all the stuff that's going on.
Jeez. I mean, you had. There is no explaining how this car sits on the road. Zero. Jeez. Wow.
Now you see why how this lapped the Nürburgring.
Oh yeah.
Fast. It's rotating. So I'm literally watching the ALA system down here, how it's changing the forces and the active aero, and that's what keeps it planted.
am literally currently driving the fastest Lamborghini that has ever been made, and this is the second fastest car in the world around the Nürburgring. Oh my God!
And what I love about naturally aspirated engines, it's right there.
Oh yeah, it is instant. I have no words whatsoever for this. This is absolutely insane. It's like you hardly have to use the brake. The car handles so well.
It's the active aero that helps you literally around. Look at that. It just, the car rotates like a fulcrum. It's like on point.
I wish I could. Oh.
The G's on this. Now put it in Corsa for a second, because you'll see the G meter come up in the center.
Oh yeah, and now we have the Aventador.
Yeah, Aventador SV type dash.
Yes, sir. Jeez. Oh my God.
Now you know what I mean when I talk about why this car is, it's just ridiculous.
I have to gather my thoughts here. I have never in my life ever experienced anything like this. I mean, I feel like I want to go over the interior and everything, which is phenomenal and absolutely gorgeous and perfect, but I feel like it doesn't even matter after you experience the driving of this car.
This thing literally hugs your heart. That's why when you see this stuff and the corners that you take, you felt it.
Oh my God.
Geez, I mean, that's why, frankly, I think you need the bucket seats.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It literally keeps you in.
I completely understand now why you got these seats. I've been telling him, because this is not in comparison whatsoever, but in my car, which is a performance car, that is not even on nearly a level of this car, but I got the comfort seats from having the performance seats. But my car cannot even do anything like this, and the G's that you experience in this car is just out of this world. I mean, you can't explain it, and the video will not be able to relay that feeling, of course, but it is unimaginable. I mean, this is insane.
You can cycle through it, but the ALIS system. So the front, it literally graphically shows you how much downforce is on the front versus the back, underneath, and the air channels. Because remember, the ALIS system, Aerodynamica Lamborghini Antiva, are channels on the front splitter and on the spoiler. So when you want downforce, full downforce, 750% more downforce than the stock Huracan, or that giant wing can be invisible by opening the flaps or opening them individually, one-sided versus the other, if you want more downforce on the inner versus outer wheels. It's that ridiculous.
Okay, so this is round 2. We're gonna go for a quick little spin here and come back to this spot. And this time we are going to keep it in Corsa the whole way. Quickly explain the differences in Corsa.
So Corsa gives you a little bit more play on the stability control. It won't shift for you. So if you go into
you're banging off the rev limiter.
So you're banging off the rev limiter. It actually allows you to go deeper into the red zone. As you can tell here, when we go back into sport, the base RPM is
right.
lower.
That's true.
Base RPM is higher. You can hear the car go up in Corsa, and again, it kind of puts you there because it literally is primed to go.
Right.
The steering actually has essentially one less cog in it, so it's more direct. So you're going to feel that in Corsa versus sport.
Oh my God, these corners. I'm on the throttle through the corners. Oh, all right, so there we see it. Oh my God. I mean, learning to trust this car. Wow. I mean, it is just so capable. Carbon ceramic brakes are phenomenal. Yeah. And just this, I mean, the technology is fantastic. Look at the resolution on the screen.
On the backup camera, HD. I will tell you, on the regular Huracan though, it's a potato cam. But I think they've
because I had the Audi R8, which is, you know, I mean, if you look at like these type of things, they're usually the same between the Lamborghini and the Audi, and it's absolutely horrible. And that's a 14. My Ford Fusion has a better backup camera. Can you imagine living up here and driving this road to work every morning?
I would work 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, just about.
Front
end doesn't go out and give out. There's no understeer. I mean, sure, there's understeer on a track, but the roads, it is just there. It doesn't. It's just there.
Oh my God! In heaven. Alright, this is officially the first car I've driven where I almost feel kind of nauseous after driving it. I mean, oh my God. I mean, you cannot understand the G-forces of this car. I mean, you're literally in turns that are freaking 90 degrees going. I mean, I didn't even look at the speedometer, but it felt like we were going 250 miles an hour. Yeah, I mean, this is the end of the video. I don't know what to say. I mean, we'll take a quick look at the interior here. It's absolutely gorgeous. We have I forget what it's even called. Alcantara.
It makes you lots of words, right?
We have a lot of forged carbon, forged composite all through here. We have the awesome start stop button, cockpit style there, or pilot, or fighter jet, whatever you want to say. And I think we're gonna end it there, because this, I mean, thank you so much, my dear friend. Right, this was an experience I will never ever forget.
The best place to experience it.
Oh yeah, I mean, I am so fortunate. First time I get to drive a track monster like this, the fastest Lamborghini ever made, the second fastest car in the world around the Nürburgring. I get to drive it in the fantastic Malibu canyons of Los Angeles. I mean, one of the best driving roads in the world. So if you don't give this video a thumbs up, there's something wrong with you. Thanks again. Thanks again.
How was it? No words. What's your first reaction?
I don't know how to sum it up. It's impossible. I have never ever experienced anything like this. The G's, I mean, the way this thing sits on the road is just, it's scientifically impossible. This is just stupid. I mean, it's just, this car is insane.
Yeah.
It's the best Lambo ever made.
It's the best Lambo.
So,
cool. Yeah, I mean, if I'm ever buying a Lamborghini, it has to be this or better. Otherwise, it's just like, what am I doing with my life?